Hi, let's talk about how you can grow and nurture your email list without having to do all the research and the hard work yourself. I'm Shika and I used to work as a counselor for 5 years, and now I create done for you coaching tools and content for coaches. And today I will let you have a sneak peek at my new list building kit, which has an irresistible lead magnet as well as a nurture campaign done for you. And all you have to do is attract people to sign up for this lead magnet that you can see here and use the 8 emails I have prepared for you so that you can position yourself as an authority and as an expert in your coaching niche, and also to nurture and sell to your email list and sell your coaching programs and your own courses. You can use the 8 emails I have prepared for you as a welcome sequence as well, or you can also use those emails for your email marketing. So if you are going on vacation or if you want to take a break from work for a month or so, you can just use these 8 emails. You can schedule these 8 emails into your email service provider. And the lead magnet that I mentioned is editable with Canva. As you can see here, I've opened up the Canva version, and there are 9 pages, and you can add exercises to this lead magnet, or you can even rewrite some sections so that you can add your quote unquote voice to it. And the theme of this lead magnet is manage stress with self-compassion. So let's see the pages one by one. All right, now we are going to look at the email nurture campaign that I have included in this list building kit. There are 8 emails, and they are written specifically to nurture your list, and you will be seen as an expert in your niche, and you can sell to them in a more subtle way through these emails. So if you like the nurture and sell technique, then you will like the emails that I have written for you. And let's see all the emails so that you know exactly what you're getting with this list building kit. And each email, as you can see here, comes with a template as well as a ready-to-use email. So if you are someone who already has content in your mind, and you are a seasoned email writer, then you can just fill in the blanks here. But if you are busy, you can just copy and paste the emails that I have written for you and just schedule it in your email service provider. Okay, so let's see all the emails that I have in this list building kit so that you know exactly what you are getting. Let's start with email 0. So when they sign up for the lead magnet that I have prepared for you, they will get this email. All you have to do is fill in the blanks, fill in the sections which are highlighted in yellow. This is the template for email number 1. This is the ready to use email for email number 1. Let's make it bigger so that you can see the words clearer. This is email number 2, the email template for email number 2. Ready to use email for email number 2. Email number 3. Ready to use email for email number 3. Email number 4. The ready to use email, which you can cut and paste. Number 5. And this is the ready to use email for email number 5. This is email number 6. This is the ready to use email for email number 6. Email number 7, the template. The ready to use email for email number 7. And this is email number 8. Sorry, let me edit this. This is the ready to use email for email number 8. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. You can purchase this list building kit from the link in my description box. And if you have any questions, you can just send me an email. My email is also in the description box. And with this list building kit, you will get a done for you lead magnet, as well as 8 nurture and sell emails, which you can use as a welcome sequence and for your email marketing. Okay, that's all I have to share with you today. Thank you and goodbye.